Hey everybody, Ed from Occidentalist Outdoors, and I don't know about you guys, but ever since the pandemic we've had trouble finding Jiffy Pop, and then when we do find it, it's over $4 for one Jiffy Pop. We love camping popcorn, but we've started to make our own, so I don't know. It's as you probably know, it's pretty simple, but we just fire up the old camp stove, throw in a bit of oil. This one happens to be olive oil. Sometimes we use a mix, or not a mix, but sometimes we use avocado oil, sometimes we use olive oil, and we just happen to have olive oil today. So anyway, we throw in just a few kernels and let that go. And what we usually do is measure out. Either we'll make a whole big bag and then measure it out in camp, or if we're just gonna do a short trip like we're doing today, we'll just do between 1/4 and 1/3 of a cup for this is a 2-liter pot, so, and that'll top it off right to the top. So for what's probably more like 20 cents worth of popcorn and oil and salt, we got a whole tasty fresh made popcorn. So we're kind of giving up on Jiffy Pop and just thought we'd throw it out there.
Nothing against Jiffy Pop though, because it's very delicious.
Oh, yeah.
And fun to use because it pops really fun and it brings back old memories from childhood. But 20 cents versus $4.50 is kind of ridiculous.
Yeah, we're having to draw the line. So when this gets popping, we'll be back. Okay, so our initial corns have popped. There goes the last two, I think. Oh, we got one more. There we go. And we'll just throw that in now that the oil's nice and hot. And swirl it around. Ideally, it would be on a little bit more level surface, but it seems like maybe we're telling you something really basic, but you know, with today's kind of throw it in the microwave, push a button, or Jiffy Pop kind of deal, just thought we'd put out a little quick video that it is actually really easy to make camp popcorn in your own pot, and costs very little, and you can make it up real quick. So all right, here we go. All right, popping, slowing down, so I'm going to turn off the heat. Get those last few kernels to pop. Okay, I think we're there. So, yep, that's 1/3 of a cup. Just about tops it off. And for this one, we'll just probably throw a little bit of salt in, but sometimes we'll throw in some barbecue seasoning or taco seasoning. We usually carry those camping, but you do you. Get the flavors you like, and enjoy a nice camp popcorn. See you on the trail.